is full. That's breaking next, 43-38. Again, good luck, good luck. Dice roll. We're going 3 times on the dice. 1, 2, and 3 on the letters. Q up top, L at the bottom. 3 times now on your names. 1, 2, and 3. Brian Myers up top. Josh Cox at the bottom. Let's sort them out. And there is your letters, the Masterwork Bird, 43-38. Good luck, guys. Here we go. Star Wars Masterwork Bird. Good luck. Again, 2 boxers on the site. I think the next closest one has only 13 left. So again, grab your spots on that one. And the last two boxers, or those two boxers, are right there. So grab them on the site. Mini box 1. Got here. Starting off with Bail Organa for the B spot and Tyler. So Uncivilized, the $2.99 Obi-Wan Kenobi on the insert. Imperial Fighter Pilot for the I spot. I spot going to Sammy B. Got another Obi-Wan insert for the O spot and Andrew Munn and Jar Jar Binks on the blue for the J spot. J spot going to Tremaine Winters on the Jar Jar. Show me a big autograph. Come on, Masterwork. Show me a big auto. We got blue coming up. What do we got here? Ezra Bridger for the E spot. Tech for the T spot. General Leia Organa for the G spot. And who's got G? Brian Myers. That is 6 out of 50 on the Leia stamp. General Leia Organa. Aura Singh for the A spot on the Roy. And 5th Brother for the F spot on the blue. Axe Woes for the A spot. Agent Tierney for the A spot. For the M spot, another one of these relics. Fabric Relic, Magistrate, Morgan, Elizabeth. M spot and Steven Scragg. Pretty cool card there, Steven. Again, sourced Fabric Relic. That is from her cloak. Got Jabba the Hutt for the J spot. And Sabine Wren, 22 out of 99 for the S spot. And Tremaine. Last mini box should have ink. Good luck. I think we got dual ink here. Good luck. L337 for the L spot. BB8. I was incorrect. is not dual link, but it is a sweet card. Aura Singh for the A spot, and Roy Laporga. There you go, Roy. And Jamie King has Aura Singh going to Roy. We've got Boba Fett for the B spot, going to Tyler. And the Twins on the blue for the T spot, going to Josh Cox. Going to recap it. We've got the Twins. Aura Singh, Sabine Wren, Magistrate Morgan Elizabeth. On the relic, fifth brother, General Leia Organa. Jar Jar Binks, Imperial Fighter Pilot, and Obi-Wan Kenobi. Again, that is the break, guys. Bird in the books. Thanks for the fill.